friends are married, but I'm all lonely. Hi, what's your name? Jacob. Hi, I'm Emily.
Talk louder, Abby.
Hi, I'm Emily. You're pretty. Thank you. Will you marry me? I just met you. Will you? Okay. Yay! Here comes the bride, all just in white. You may kiss the bride. You know what? I'm gonna go get dressed. I am so glad I found her. I'm gonna be Santa Claus. Yeah, you put on a heart on your chest. Yep. Oh. I'll take him downstairs. The end.
Yay!